Let me. Hi, this is Afshin, conference producer for the Global Vertical Farming Show, the largest and only vertical farming and CEA expo in the Middle East. Today we have Elvis Ma. He is the CEO at Foshan Growspec Biotech Company Limited from China. Hi, Elvis.
Hi.
It is great to have you here today. So, briefly, Growspec is a pioneer in commercial and industrial indoor application of agritech and intelligent planting solutions. So, let's hear more from Elvis. Elvis, please tell us a little bit more about yourself and the key innovations that Growspec has introduced to increase the commercial viability of its products.
Okay, thank you. I initially engaged in the business of automotive lights since 2008. But we start our LED grow lights from 2015 after we have 8 years of experience to manufacture the automotive lights. Actually, on lights itself, the grow lights is more easier compared to the automotive lights. But after 3 years of automotive lights manufacturing and development, I find that for vertical farming, the lights itself is just one aspect of all the factors that matters. But other factors like the climate control, the nutrient control, the strategy of cultivation is far more important than only the lights. So from 2017, we started to develop the aeroponic system for vertical grow. But from the beginning, we just solved the problem of lights and the ventilation and the irrigation system. At that time, we don't have dosing system, 2017. So our first generation, we produced just 1 year, and then we go to the second generation. In the process of talking with customers and the projects, we found out more factors should be controlled, not only this irrigation, lights, and ventilation. We found out sometimes if our customers made mistake on the temperature control, humidity control, they still don't have good harvest. So we decide to design a whole system, a complete system can control everything. Okay, so that's how we started this business.
All right, great. So, because Elvis, you were talking about the good harvest, or probably you were talking about a system where you want to provide everything to the clients so that they can achieve good yield. So, tell us something more about, how can the growers maximize their yields by having a systematic and organized growing facility?
Okay. Normally, most of the vertical farming, manufacturing, or project design companies solved part of the problems for the vertical farming, but not all. In my opinion, if you want to control indoor grow 100%, there are at least 3 factors you have to control. First is the light. Second is the air, and third is the nutrient, or let's say water. Those 3 aspects. For lights, you have to control the light spectrum, the light period, and light density. And if for the air, you have to control the ventilation speed, the air speed, the air volume, and the air exchange, the air temperature, humidity, okay, and CO2 density, or PM 2.5. So this is how you control the air. And for the nutrient, you have to control the recipe of the nutrient, the strategy of irrigation, the temperature of the nutrient, the CO2 inside the nutrient. Okay, that's all things you have to control for indoor growth, the whole climate.
Correct. So because you have developed your products by the customer feedback, or you have keep on doing the innovations in your products, understanding what are the challenges that are faced by every growing facility. So how important is customization to make the whole growing process more efficient and optimal?
Yeah, it is very important to customize according to the site volume of the air in the room. Okay, so firstly, you have to standardize the room size. Then you know how much volume of air you have to control, right? Inside of that space, you know how many plants you can grow. Then you can calculate how many humidity you have every day, every hour. And then you know how much water you have to use. Under that, you can control everything. If you cannot standardize the air, standardize the volume of the water, there's no base to control.
Great.
And we made some our customized climate control HVAC system. Okay, so according to the space of the rooms, we have to use different HVAC systems. Okay, so you need a special device to support your strategy of control.
Okay, perfect. Right. So finally, let us know what you think about the Global Vertical Farming Show in Dubai, and who are you looking forward to meet at the expo?
I heard this show from one of my friend in Holland. This guy is in Amsterdam, and he has been in this show 2 times. The feedback is very good. He said a very good, very quality people there. So he suggested me go there.
Oh, perfect.
That's why we go there. We have never been there, but looking forward to go there. Yeah.
Great. So I think you would be having a great experience attending the show, because the exclusivity that this event holds is that we are targeting only the people who are into the vertical farming or the controlled environment business. So the exhibitors and the visitors both would have a good tuning among themselves, and of course you would meet the right people who you can further establish your business in different regions, especially in the Middle East. So
Yes, my friend said exactly the same as you.
yes, perfect. So I'm glad people are the previous attendees are enjoying the show, and they have given such a valuable feedback. But with you, Elvis, thank you so much for sharing your insights about the products that your company is providing to this industry. And for more questions from Elvis, I think audience who are watching this video can come and meet Elvis at the Global Vertical Farming Show, scheduled on 13th and 14th of September this year in Dubai. See you. Thank you, Elvis.
Yeah, thank you. Have a
Yes,
good day.
you too.